Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the BiutiViita 10-litre double stack air fryer. This is quite literally your new secret weapon for quick and easy healthy meals in just half the time. And the best thing is it's currently on a flash sale at £99 instead of £169.99. So after watching this video, be sure to click the link in my bio to purchase your own. In this video, I put this impressive device to a test as I cook 3 quick and easy meals in this air fryer. So I'm going to cook a nice variety of food today. I'm going to cook some fries, some chicken strips and also some pizza. So the first impression of this device shows that it's a sleek matte black finish. It also looks like a compact design, perfect for any kitchen. So inside we've got 2 5-litre drawers, a total of 10 litres capacity. Each drawer sports its own digital control, so you can air fry chicken in one and roast veggies in the other if you need to. And each drawer can be set to its own temperature and its own time. And we've also got 2 racks included, which allows you to cook up to 4 items at a time. As you can see, you've got a large capacity inside these drawers, so you can cook for up to 4 people at a time, or you can just cook one portion of food and use just one drawer. So I've just put a box of Cocoa Pops right next to the air fryer so you can visualize its size. In drawer number 2 we've got the user manual, so make sure you have a good read of this before you cook any food. So while I prepare the dough for this pizza, I'm just going to go through some key features. So the dual zone system is brilliant. The sync and match mode allows both drawers to finish together. This is ideal when you want all of your food hot at once, or you can run each drawer independently if you're juggling fries and fish fingers at different temperatures. We also have a shake reminder which pings halfway through to guarantee even crispiness on all 4 layers. And moving on to the power and efficiency, at 2400 watts, this air fryer cooks up to 55% faster than a conventional oven. So you're not just saving time, you're saving on energy as well. So the lab tests show that you'll be using up to 75% less fat versus traditional frying. So you can have crispy chicken strips and chips with a fraction of the oil. And that's not all, we have so many more benefits. We have non-stick drawers and racks which are dishwasher safe. We have 9 cooking presets: air frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating and more. And we also have an auto shut-off feature to keep you stress-free. And to lessen that stress even more, we have a 2-year warranty if you're UK based. So we have got a Ninja dual zone air fryer at home, and with my experience with both appliances, I can confirm this appliance is just as good. The major difference I can see is the Ninja air fryer is £215 at the moment, whereas the BiutiViita is just £100. So basically you can save £115 and get the same results and benefits as the Ninja. I have also just seen the Ninja dual stacked air fryer, which is priced at £200. This air fryer comes with 3 litre less cooking space than the BiutiViita. So going with BiutiViita only means you'll be getting the same performance and more cooking space, and you only have to spend half the money. And now moving on to actually cooking in this device, I've just made some pizza dough. All of the ingredients I used are in the description below. I'm just going to use the pull and stretch technique to make sure this dough is perfect. I'm going to drop a drizzle of olive oil in the bowl and leave this to rest for about 2 to 3 hours. Meanwhile, I'm just going to prep some vegetables for my pizza topping. You can use absolutely anything you like. So I've decided to add some chicken to my pizza, so I'm just going to marinate some chicken pieces. So I'm going to cook this chicken in a pan for no longer than 5 minutes. It's now time to cut up some potatoes for the fries. And now to quickly prepare some chicken strips, I'm just going to lightly season these with some salt, pepper and paprika. I'm now going to coat them in some breadcrumbs. So we're just going to make a very simple sauce for them chicken strips. I'm going to add some chili sauce. Here I've got some honey to balance out that chili. And of course a spoon of garlic paste. And some soy sauce to add that extra kick. I'm going to give that a really good mix and microwave it for 2 minutes. And now that's ready, I'm just going to set it aside for later. And now that everything is ready to be cooked, I'm just going to lay some chips at the bottom of the air fryer rack. And please take note of which side up these air fryer racks are. So I'm just going to arrange the chicken and chips in the air fryer drawers. I made a really funny mistake. I should have put the chicken in with the chicken and the fries in with the fries, but I have no idea why I wanted to layer it like this. It didn't make much of a difference because the chicken and chips got cooked at the same time and temperature in just 20 minutes. And now we are finally putting this air fryer to a test. So the user manual has really easy step-by-step instructions for when you start cooking. So make sure you follow that through depending on what type of food you're cooking. As you can see, we've got a very unique design of the screen here. It is touch sensitive and also colour screen. So I switched it on by the mains. I pressed the power button, I pressed number 1, and then I set my time and temperature. And then I pressed number 2, which is the second tray down, and I set my time and temperature for that. I could have used the match feature to set both of these drawers at the same time and temperature. So in just 20 minutes, we have the most crispy fries and chicken strips. So I'm just going to toss the chicken strips in the sauce we made earlier and they're ready to be served. And moving on to my favourite dish of the day, we are now going to make the pizza. The dough should be ready at this point. Hopefully the dough has risen and become twice its size. So I have cut that dough into 2 equal parts and I've laid it out onto some greaseproof paper onto the racks. I'm now going to layer on all of my toppings. And now for the second demonstration of the night, I'm going to switch the air fryer on from its mains. So I'm going to manually set this time. So I'm going to press the temperature and the time button and use the dial. And because I've got lots of toppings on my pizza, I'm going to cook that for 12 minutes at 180°C. For a margherita pizza, I recommend just 8 minutes at 180°C. And in just 12 minutes, we have the most delicious looking pizza. So there you have it, crispy chips, juicy chicken strips and a perfect pizza, all made in one appliance at $99.99 with 40% off. This BiutiViita 10 litre double stack air fryer is an absolute steal. Grab yours by using the Amazon link in the description below.